Is long hair for men a trend in 2021? Well, yes, it is. But if you want to make it a trend, you can, because this, believe it or not, is a hair system. And this video is in partnership with Lavivid Hair. And I have an exclusive discount code, the salon guy, at lavividhair.com. So this is a very, very, very unique video here and a very unique hair system. I'm going to get super close to the, so you guys can see. Now, this is the Cronus unit. This is a very, very unique unit, and in just a minute or so, I'm going to explain to you exactly what that is, but I want you to take a quick look. All right, this is European hair. This is the silkiest, most healthy, amazing hair that you can find, and I want to show you how natural that is. Look at, I mean, it literally looks like it's growing right from the scalp. So I want to read this directly from lavividhair.com. So Cronus is a very special hair unit among the amount and the different types of systems you can find at Lavivid Hair, because it's a lift injection technique with European hair. All right, so it's a poly skin base, which is amazing. So it's got pretty thin base, which I love. And the hair is injected through the base and there's no knots. That's what makes it look so natural. And that's why I love it. So it's used on 100% natural, unprocessed hair. There's no coloring, no damage to it. It's 100% natural. And the unit color, because if you are interested in this color, this is the NC6. This is the color NC6, and look how natural it is. So what I did do, however, is I did go in and cut the hairline myself, and the hairline usually is the hardest part to cut. I just want to bring this up a little bit and raise this up so you can see. All right. Now, what I did do is leave the outer perimeter, because that is based off of your own head shape. But look how close I got to the edge, and that is the secret. So as I push this down, the hair right itself, the hairline literally just falls right into place. It's virtually undetectable, okay? Virtually undetectable. And between that and this hair system feeling like silk, I mean, this is real hair. And like I mentioned before, you could see right down to the scalp. It's undetectable. So this is a really, really high quality unit. So if you are looking to go with a longer hairstyle, yes, the hair trend is in for longer hair. And the key is to making sure that you're gonna have the proper shape to it. So I didn't cut this at all. I didn't cut this whatsoever. But if you were to cut this, you know, you really wanna make sure you're having some sort of length, okay? Whether you wanna leave it long all the way down and through here, you're gonna definitely wanna get this layered, you know, somewhat, or if you're one of those people who wants to just make it look like it's long all the time, you know, trim up the ends and clean it up and just go with a natural type of shape. This will last you several months. I believe it's like 6 to 9 months or so that, you know, you can get out of this hair system, which is incredible. Again, and this is definitely one of their higher end ones. If you, again, go to lavividhair.com, use code the salon guy for 15% off anything from that website. They have all sorts of maintenance tools and adhesives and things you need for this system.